Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Halo Campaign Evolved and you keep getting this error, your game has crashed with the error UE-Meteorite, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Halo Campaign Evolved easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to go ahead and update your graphic card's drivers. So if you have an NVIDIA card, you're going to go on to nvidia.com. I'll show you AMD and Intel afterwards. You're going to click onto drivers here. And then you're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So select your graphic card series and then model and then click submit here. And then you're going to download the latest GeForce Game Ready driver and install it on your computer. Now onto AMD, you're going to go on to AMD.com, click onto resources and support and then drivers. And then you're going to scroll down, click onto graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model, click submit. You're going to click on your operating system and download the latest AMD Adrenaline drivers on your computer. Now onto Intel. You're going to go on to Intel.com, click onto support here, click download center. You're going to click onto graphics here, and then you're going to search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc A750 for example, and then you're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers on your computer and install them. After you're done installing the drivers, now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up your Xbox app. It does not matter if you have the game on Xbox or not. Now you're going to click onto your username, click onto support. Gaming services repair tool, click on start repairing. Then now it's going to diagnose the issue and it's going to try to fix it on its own. Once it's done with that, click close on here, sign out of your Xbox account and then close this up. Now you're going to open up your Steam. You're going to right click on Halo Campaign Evolved, click on properties, install files, click verify integrity of game files here. After that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up the Xbox app again. You're going to sign into your Xbox account. Once you're done signing in, you're going to go ahead and try to play Halo Campaign Evolved now, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that meteorite crash anymore. So just guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.